Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Weekend Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the location on the Tantan application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tantan application on your device and then log into your account using your social media or your phone number. And after logging in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can scroll through various matches and swipe right or left. Now from this page, if you wish to change your location, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, and then from your profile icon, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from the settings page, you will see your location options. Tap on Customize Location, and now you can add a roaming location. You can tap on this and add a roaming location if you have a premium plan available. Just proceed forward with selecting your location and you will be able to add your different location. If you simply want to change your location after you have moved from one place to another, simply tap on the refresh button and this will refresh your current location based on your GPS data. And there you have it. That is how you can change your location on the Tantan dating application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.